Carl. Super quick vid on some of the best cases that I'm rocking right now. For the brand new iPhone 14s, you can see that I've got my 14 Pro Max in the deep purple. And if you look at Apple's website, you'll see that their silicone cases go for $60, leather cases close to $100. In case you don't want to spend the money on that, because there are better cases. For example, this one from PITAKA, it's made out of an aramid fiber, and this is essentially an aerospace and defensive nylon weave that's used to essentially create body armor. So body armor for your case. I've got two different ones that have different sizes. So this one is the ultra thin model. This is their Mag Easy Case 3. So these two cases are 0.95 millimeters thin, and you can see that they have little cutouts for the volume rockers as well as the on and off button. So very thin profile. It pretty much feels like you're using the phone naked, but still provides you that protection. The last thing that you want to do is drop your super expensive phone, especially this spec right here. So I think with the 1 terabyte option, this is close to $2,000 Canadian, so just under that $1,700, $1,600 US. So the last thing that you want to do is to break your phone. And the first thing that I always say, get the protection for your device, spend the 50, 60 bucks on a good case, and the longevity of your phone will last you 3, 4, 5, 6 years. And what's nice about this synthetic fiber, it gives the phone a nice grip, but it doesn't make the phone case sticky. So I know a big problem with silicone cases, when you stick it into your pocket, you bring it out and it's full of lint, it's full of fluff, sometimes even gets stuck in your pocket. That's not the case with this. Get that? It's not the case with this. It's also really resistant to any fingerprints or smudges, which I'm always a fan of, and it has nice features to, once again, keep your phone safe, like this little lip that wraps around the camera, because the last thing that you wanna do is placing your nice phone with, of course, that new camera system, with that 48 megapixel camera on the table, and to scratch up your lenses. So that little raised lip should help out a lot with that. And of course, what everyone asks about cases, this one is MagSafe compatible, so it does have that small little magnet in the back. So if you do have any MagSafe accessories, it will work with the phone case. So quickly snapping this on, I'll just quickly show you guys. I've got a little MagSafe charger, good old MagSafe charger puck, and slapping this onto the back, the phone starts charging. And I know other cases really diminish the power of MagSafe and make it weaker, but this thing is not moving anywhere. It's nice, it's secure, and even if you have another MagSafe, say, wallet, which we'll get to some of the accessories in a second, that snaps onto place, and this MagSafe wallet is not heading anywhere. So this is the Case 3, or the Mag Easy Case 3. There's a Pro 3 case as well for extra protection that has a bit more cush around it to keep your phone safer. And one thing for those detail-oriented people, in the Pro 3 case, this seam between the TPU, the plastic, and the aramid fibers is pretty much seamless. So that's a nice little detail, especially for cheaper cases that typically don't have that. It's just a nice touch, and great to see PITAKA striving for that next level of precision. So their Pro case, as this phone kind of just snaps in quite easily, gives you full protection of your device. So you can see the entire phone is protected. So this is for someone that loves to, or I guess not loves to, who loves to drop their phone, but keeps your phone protected from those accidental drops. You've got the full lip that runs around the outside. All of the volume rockers on and off buttons have their own little cutouts. And of course, that nice little lip, or the raised lip, for the camera cutouts as well. So it's still made out of those aramid fibers. It still has the same features, of course, fingerprint resistant. It's still MagSafe compatible, but just gives you that extra protection of those bumpers and gives your phone a bit more of a complete and sturdier feel. So really the choice is up to you. And I know that PITAKA has a couple different color options that you can choose from. This one's available for pre-order right now, only in the black. So remember, $69 versus $59 for these other two lighter ones that have a bunch of other colorways. I did mention other accessories. So for example, the MagSafe wallet. And what I love about this, it has the card cutout in the front, so you can easily access your cards. Whereas the Apple MagSafe wallet, that is completely closed in, and you typically have to take the case off and then use the little card cutout on the back. So this just makes accessing your cards easier. They also have the aramid fiber case for your AirPod Pro. So I know that the new AirPod Pro V2s just came out, But if you are someone with older V1s, this also gives you MagSafe, as it has little magnets at the back of the case. And the accessory that I've actually been rocking in my new whip, in the new GT3, is their new little car mount. So this is the Mag Easy Car Mount Pro. Pretty similar feature set where this kind of slots into a fan vent and then you can just mount your phone on. It's nice and sturdy. You can see that the phone isn't moving anywhere and I can interact with my phone, set maps. You should technically do that before you start driving, but it's also nice to just see this off angle while you drive. So super handy accessories, dope little cases that they've got. So if you are just getting a new iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, these are the ones that I would recommend. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick vid, and I'll catch the rest of you in one of my next ones. Peace!